Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Multivan style in the long wheelbase. This example comes in a two-tone colour combination, deep black pearl over Fortana Red. The vehicle also features a 1.4 Petrol eHybrid engine pushing out 218 PS. The vehicle features IQ LED matrix headlights and sits on the 18-inch Toshima alloy wheels finished in a silver colour. Towards the rear of the vehicle there is a tailgate with a window and a handsome rear roof spoiler. Located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reverse camera. This paired with the rear parking sensors helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. The Multivan boasts luxury with a power-assisted tailgate, behind which is a spacious load area, which can be increased by moving the three rear seats forward. There is also a parcel shelf for some extra storage. Access into the rear passenger area can be found on either side of the vehicle through the power sliding doors. The vehicle also features a lovely panoramic glass sunroof, and all the seats in the vehicle come in the Savona full leather trim. Up front is no exception, with two front heated seats as well as two armrests apiece. The front cab area also comes with some ambient lighting as well as some dark wood decorative trims. There is also a 10-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system that features navigation as well as App Connect. Just below the infotainment system there are a few touch controls accessing the climate and a few other settings. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed and heated steering wheel as well as a digital cockpit system.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.